Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dive deep into the world of corporate filings. Today, we're cracking open Hagerty's latest 8K report, and trust me, there's more under the hood than just classic cars and insurance policies. We are going to examine their latest filing, and hopefully the results are not totaled. This report is dated March 4, 2025, which is the date of the earliest event they're reporting. So what happened on that day? Turns out it's the day Hagerty announced their financial results for the end of 2024. Hagerty Inc., for those who don't know, is a company deeply involved in the world of classic and collector vehicles. They're not just about insurance, they're also into valuation tools, events, and even a magazine. Think of them as a one-stop shop for car enthusiasts. The company is based in Traverse City, Michigan, and operates under the ticker symbol HGTY on the New York Stock Exchange. The first major item in this filing is related to their financial results. It looks like they released a letter to stockholders and a press release detailing how they did in the last quarter and the entire year of 2024. They also planned a conference call to discuss these results. These are included as exhibits to this report, meaning they're officially part of this filing. Exhibit 99.1 is the letter to stockholders, and Exhibit 99.2 is the press release. We will take a look at the key data that came out. Next up is a section about Regulation FD disclosure. Regulation FD is a rule that aims to prevent companies from selectively disclosing information to certain investors before making it available to the general public. It aims for fairness in the market. In this part of the report, Hagerty mentions they posted an investor presentation on their website that they expect to use in future talks with investors. This presentation is also included as an exhibit. Hagerty is telling investors that they should check their investor relations website for important updates, including announcements about investor conferences, and to comply with Regulation FD. This is a standard practice for public companies. Now let's move to the exhibits because those are the juicy details. We've got the letter to stockholders, the press release, and the investor presentation, all dated March 4, 2025. These documents will give us a better picture of the company's performance and outlook. Finally, there's an interactive data file formatted as inline XBRL. This is a way of tagging financial information so that it can be easily read and analyzed by computers. It's all part of making financial reporting more transparent and efficient. The report is signed by Diana M. Chafee, Chief Legal Officer, officially authenticating the information contained within. Now, to get a sense of how Hagerty is doing, we'll need to check the exhibits. I'm going to pull out a few numbers. Unfortunately, the specific figures from the exhibits such as revenue growth and net profit are not included in the text provided, but we can still make an observation from the filing that Hagerty released a letter to stockholders, a press release, and presentation to investors. The goal for Hagerty would be to show off the growth, revenue, earnings, and future outlook that should encourage investors that the company is doing well. So, what does all of this mean for Hagerty? Hagerty's strategy to expand beyond just insurance into a broader range of services for car enthusiasts seems to be the right path for them, and investors seem to agree with them, but there's also risk. The classic car market can be sensitive to economic conditions, and any downturn could impact their business. Plus, competition in the insurance and events space is always intense. In conclusion, Hagerty seems to be moving in a positive direction, but it's important to keep an eye on those financial results and how they're managing those risks. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate filings. What company should we decode next? Let me know in the comments.